Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add core chain mainnet to MetaMask on a PC, but it's the same thing on a mobile device. So we have our MetaMask installed in our web browser. So we're going to click on it. And here at the top left corner, you have the option for adding network. So we're going to click down and then we're going to come to the bottom and add network. This will open a new tab. We're going to scroll to the bottom where we can add a network manually. In order to succeed with this, you need to follow as written on the screen. And now you're going to fill yours like this. You have the network name as core, the new RPC URL, the chain ID 1116, the currency symbol, which is core, and the blockchain explorer URL. This is optional. You can just simply go ahead and click on save. Remember, this is the same as on your mobile device. As you can see, network added successfully. We could decide to switch to core. And now we're currently in the core chain mainnet here in MetaMask. So this is how to add core chain mainnet to MetaMask.